The alert engine is the backbone of the active supervision process in AAI. AAI is able to capture runtime, calculate averages, and predict future runtimes, and so it makes sense that it's able to generate alerts for when certain events occur, like a missed SLA and other types of events ranked by level of criticality. In this video, we're going to take you through the process of configuring an alert for a job stream. Basic alerts are job stream specific, and so we've created a predictable process in the scheduler with hard sleep values and mapped it to a job stream in AAI. The calculated SLA resulting from these sleep commands is going to be very accurate. It will be the compound value of time of all those sleep commands. We'll set up an alert for the job stream and then set a value for the SLA that is noticeably shorter. This should trigger the alert resulting from the failure to make the SLA. We're also going to explain all the options associated with alerts. There's a few things that we can fine-tune based on run progress, mode of delivery, time of the week, and other settings. Finally, when the alert triggers, we'll be able to see it in the monitoring tab in the form of a console alert. The surest way to trigger an alert is to execute a process with a very high level of predictability and then manually lower the predicted completion time, forcing the job stream to reach the SLA much sooner than it's supposed to. For this exercise, we've created a simple workflow with 5 identical jobs executing hard 2-minute sleep commands. Once mapped to a job stream, AAI will identify the average runtime and SLA as 10 minutes with 0 variance. We'll create a time-based alert for the job stream and then reduce the SLA to 7 minutes. Based on AAI's predictive calculations, after recording a few runs, the alert should activate almost immediately because the process will be late. We'll be able to observe the console alert in the monitoring tab. We start with our very predictable job stream. It has 5 component jobs lasting 2 minutes each. We've already recorded several runs. We can look at the job stream details and confirm what we've just observed. We update the job stream, check the SLA, which is obviously 10 minutes, and then add an alert in the Alert Criteria tab. We use this interface to configure the alert. First, we can select the type of event for which we want to be notified. Some, like complete and target job started, are fairly innocuous and usually don't warrant supervision. Their level of criticality is normal or minor. Others, like late and not predicted to finish, are critical because they indicate failure, real or predicted, to comply with the SLA. All alerts are delivered in the monitoring tab in the form of a console alert, but we can also add SNMP traps and emails, assuming you have the required technical infrastructure like an SMTP server. In order to activate an alert based on an event type, you simply check the box in the far left. If you decide to send emails, you add email addresses. Then you can configure the persistency of the alert. The alert can be sent once, on a cycle in minutes, or every time the lateness of the job stream increases by a factor of time. For example, if the job stream is 10 minutes late, AAI sends an alert. Another 10 minutes go by, another alert, and so forth. It's also possible to withhold alerts until the job stream reaches a set completion percentage. It should be obvious that we achieve far higher levels of accuracy when we're closer to completion than at the beginning. So you set this number to say 70%. Even if we anticipate that the job stream will not complete, we refrain from sending the alert until its progress has reached 70%. Before that, our level of certainty regarding the outcome is still unclear. Job streams are set to time zones, and so associating the time zone with the alert as well is a sensible approach. Finally, you can prevent AAI from sending alerts on certain days, for example, during business days and hours. We're working with the assumption that operations have eyes on the monitoring console during business hours, and we can see what's going on. A missed SLA will be obvious, and an alert is not needed. This feature suppresses all alerts, SNMP, email, and monitoring console during those days and hours. As shown by the description, emails are always sent to the email accounts associated with the business areas. So addresses you enter receive the alerts in addition to those business area managers. You separate addresses with commas. We configure a simple alert on the jobstreams SLA, then we'll scale back the SLA from 10 to 7 minutes. This should trigger the alert on the next jobstream run. We head to the Monitoring tab. Our jobstream run was in progress and its status was already set to late. We receive a console alert. If we select it, information is shown in the panel on the right. In the event of multiple alerts, we're able to apply certain filters. You can pare down the list by showing alerts for the jobstream runs you selected in the top window, or for the jobstreams that have the critical marker. By right-clicking on the alert, you can access the criteria configuration window you saw earlier and show the Gantt view. The Gantt view shows the section of JobStream that extends past the SLA time. Finally, the client displays system alerts for things like exceeded memory usage, database connection problems, or required server restarts. They're shown by the icon in the top right-hand corner of the clients, with a box around the exclamation point. When you click on this icon, the system alert is displayed in a dialog, and the icon resumes its normal appearance.